In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website of Leonardo AI. You can just type in for it in any browser and then open the top link. Once you're here, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. First of all, if you see here, you have the option to create a new account. And if you scroll down more, you're able to see here the features of this website. And if you scroll down further, you will be able to see here some designs made by the users of this website previously. And if you want to get started, you can just click on Start using Leonardo from here, or you can also click on Launch App, or you can also scroll up to the very top of the screen again, and then click on Create an Account. All of these options will redirect you to the same page. So once you do that, you will be redirected to the sign up page. Here, if you want to create a new account, first of all, you're going to click on Sign Up. Once you're here, you're able to sign up through different methods like Apple ID, Google, Microsoft account, or your email. So I'm going to go with Google. Just click on Google from here, and then you're going to click on any of the accounts of Google from your device. After that, you will be signed in, and first of all, you want to pick a username. Your username must be unique. So I'm just going to type in anything like tutorials 9987, and after that you can also select some of your interests, and after you're done with that, you can scroll down and then click on next. Then your account will be set up. Here is the main page of Leonardo AI. First of all, you're able to see here all of the features of this website, and if you see at the left drop down menu, you're also able to see here these features on this drop down menu. So on the top of this menu, first of all, you have the option of the home tab. Then you have the community feed. If you go to community feed, you're again able to see all the designs created recently by the users of this website. And if you're curious that how a person created the specific design, you can always click on that, and then you can read out the prompt which was made to create this design. And if you like this, you can also download this through this option. After that, you have the personal feed, and all the designs you create will be saved in this personal feed. Now if we go back to our home page, first of all, we have the option to image creation. If you click on that, you can type in any scenario over here, and then it will create an image for you. Now if we go to our home page again, as you're able to see here, the next option we have is real-time canvas. So this basically means that you can draw anything over here and it will convert to an image. Like if I draw here anything random, it will convert my design to an image. The next option we have is Canvas Editor. If you have used Canva, it is similar to that. And then you have the motion. This will just convert your image into a small video. And the last option we have is real-time generation, that you can type in any story in real time and it will convert it into graphics.